Hi everybody, I want to show you November's Fun Fold Class to Go. It's a Trifold gift card holder, and I think that's really perfect for this time around Christmas when a lot of us want to give gift cards. And you could do any kind of card with this. It's really simple to make but pretty. The first one is one you could do, well, for anything, for Valentine's. I kind of made it as a wedding thing. It's a little different, but here's the trifold. It's just on, this thing doesn't open in the back. That's just a plain card base. And then you open it and it's got pretty paper and a nice sentiment. And here's where you put your gift card, just in this little area. So there's this one that you'll get. The second one is a Christmas one. Here you go, open. It has this pretty snowflake vellum, and again, just a nice slot here to put a gift card. Number 3 could be a masculine card or whatever. It's a birthday card. And again, just like that. And I think you guys will really like it and find it useful. So let me know if you'd like to purchase this kit. Okay, thanks.